Disclaimer: this channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel are meant for educational and informational purposes only. I cannot guarantee you will make money nor will have the same experience as mine in this video. I'm just showing you different websites, apps, and methods that have the potential of making money. I'm not also a financial advisor nor expert in such thing, so make sure you always do your own research first. What's up, Cryptoblades warriors? Welcome back to my channel. JaysonB channel here to serve you and give you some tips and tricks. Today I have good news for you. I have found good tools for our Cryptoblades. Are you afraid of being beaten and getting a BNB token? Well, I will show you this now. It will help us to analyze our opponent and for us to be sure who to beat. Ever since I used this simulator, I haven't been defeated. These are my previous fights. Watch them. Just go to this site, https://wax-apps.site/crypto-blades/combat, but I will put this link in my description so you have a direct link to the site so you don't get lost. All you have to do is write down the power of your character and what its elements are, and then write down the power of your weapons and its power stats. You can also save your weapons and characters so that you are not always written every battle. Let's start so you can see how to use it. Here is the example. I chose lightning characters and lightning weapons, so what I have to write in the simulator are the same characters and weapons elements. This is also the most important thing to do, to write down the powers and what elements they have of the opponent. Do you see? I'll just copy and paste their powers into the simulator. If you see enemy number 4, we have a 71.40% chance to win, so we will attack number 4.
You win! You win! You win! You win! You win!
You see, I haven't lost even one use using this simulator. If you still want this kind of video content, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell all and you won't miss anything when I have a new video like this. And I will share with you immediately when I find out new tools or tricks to win on Cryptoblades. And if you still want more to know about this simulator, just comment down below and I will answer when I see it.
To change your